Hi, this is Steve Nomura in Chicago. Today I just came to title company in a little bit west side of Chicago. It's called Barista Title. This deal is located in Chicago suburbs. The name is Homewood. I'm gonna buy this property using seller financing. And this is a completely free and clear house. I asked the owner to be the bank. Then I'm gonna buy this house with the monthly payment. I'm gonna introduce more detail inside. Well, later on I can show you the property itself. There's a Barista Title on the second floor. We are going there to close the deal. We just finished the closing of my 205th deal. This is the property in Homewood in the south suburb of Chicago. Then this time we did the seller financing around the contract. And seller gonna be like a bank. I'm gonna make a monthly payment to the seller, and then I bought this property. It was very happy, enjoyable closing with seller's attorney, my attorney, and myself. We got lots of talks about this property. Thank you very much. I just came back to this property I just closed in downtown. As I mentioned in the closing, this is a seller financing deal. Owner bought this house last year and he bought this house in cash. Therefore, there's no mortgage. If I asked the owner to be the bank, I'm gonna make a monthly payment to the owner. I bought this house. Okay, this is a nice condition. If you look at this, my background, almost nothing to do. It's very cosmetic work. I'm gonna show you what to do. Basically, just painting. Okay, we're gonna paint the entire wall with maybe we're gonna use light blue, light gray. Then we're gonna use white paint in the ceiling. And other than that, I'm gonna show you a little bit kitchen. Then well, kitchen and bathroom is the most important part. Therefore, we're gonna change this countertop. Then cabinet is good. Therefore, we're gonna just make it a little bit sand finished, nice cabinet. Then we're gonna put the new handle. We're gonna change this countertop to regular countertop. Then we're gonna install the new kitchen appliances too. Okay, floor gonna be the same, and then we're gonna keep this ceiling lights. And then also another important aspect, the bathroom. First floor, second floor is very similar. Therefore, it's really small bathroom. Therefore, we're gonna keep this iron sink. We're gonna just paint it. We're gonna use same way. We're gonna take out these mirrors and we put the new nice lights, and then medical cabinet, and then we're gonna install a new sink, new toilet. Then we're gonna install the vent on the ceiling. Basically, that's it. First floor, second floor, we're gonna do the same way. Therefore, this carpet is gone. Okay?
It's gone, exactly.
I believe under here, I think the plywood, right?
Yes, sir.
I have to check it, but no, we're gonna take out all carpet.
Right.
This one too.
Yes,
so
sir.
entire second floor is a same.
Yes.
Right,
It'll be one floor going
right,
down.
on the same way.
Stairs.
Stairs too. Look at this. Why is this?
That's before they I noticed the concrete. Remember I told you they fixed the concrete outside. So before they did that, we had some water come in. That's why I seen going down this way. But all the way down, they did do concrete work.
Okay. Okay, let's use this one then.
This one?
Yeah. Or whatever, you can ask which one comes first, okay? The color is like this basically, but the issue is
This one is stocked locally.
oh really?
Yeah.
You can ask how soon you can get the materials.
Okay.
Yeah.
Choose from this and from this.
Yeah.
This one takes 2 weeks.
Oh, you know. Okay.
So this one and this one I can find out.
Okay.
It will be what color up here.
You can choose similar like this. Yeah, something like this. Right. This is a very cosmetic work. Therefore, I expect this work gonna be finished maybe 2 weeks, max 3 weeks. And my exit strategy for this house is this option. I'm gonna give you some update later. Thank you very much.